Cholera na bacteria they cause am. Na bacteria. And this bacteria, and they live inside your water. And if it dey inside person intestine, go to enter the person, go to the person shit. So you saw those people where they shit anyhow. Go shit for inside, now, your hair. Go do shit, or picking go shit, they no go clean and well, no go throw and well. You go come waka, enter inside water. When enter water, people come go drink and plenty. They go come carry the cholera. Go come cause sickness. And the sickness, if you don't do anything quick, person fit buy. Person get and person go come they vomit, go they purge. Water. When they go toilet, go shit. You think go just they run like tap. Go just they run. And if you don't do anything, the person fit buy. Now, I don't want to make you panic. Because people go they fear, hey, cholera. Your water where you they drink, I beg. Try to boil them again. When you go outside, or you go toilet, or you go anywhere, wash your hand well with soap and water. Your food where you they chop, food where you they cook and well. You where they buy all those things for road, for hold up, you don't know. You know go wash them, you know go know where it come from. This period, you have to be careful. You dey hear me so? Then make sure say where they caca, where they shit throw away, they throw away and well. Not be say you go just see person, go just shit, go just carry up, throw away, enter inside gutter. And that gutter feel waka. I don't know how these people will be for our country. One thing. If you enter food, give the person problem. But if you get no fear, they can treat you, go hospital. So maybe person they sick cholera now, they vomit, all those kind of things. You person. So you need the person now. Maybe your hand touch some kind of things around. Don't come wash that hand. You can't go chop a bar. You understand? You go chop a bar. Or use your hand chop. You can't inside your body, you feel carry them. But say person just get them, you near the person, you not go carry them.
Okay.
But if you know clean the place, you know they careful with your own hygiene and environment, you can't enter you go chop through your mouth.
No be even bite your finger.
You bite finger like that. If you enter your body, give you the problem.
So now only through mouth now they enter.
Through mouth mouth
inside
wetin you shop. Yes.
Okay.
You know say people don't die on top this matter.
Yeah.
We don't know how it happen. Whether they sit down for house, they drink many things. Only God know. Sure you understand. So we know get information. Say Agbo go treat person wey get cholera because if you know carry the person go hospital on time, person feel vomit, enter dehydration, enter shock. He go kpai from there go.
Okay.
Yes, but no need to fear. Enter hospital because they go give the person water, drip, and a lot of antibiotics, and person go there okay.
And just to add to waiting doctor talk, Lagos State government don't even talk say the treatment for cholera say na free of charge. Now they do am, and they don't create center for Yaba. So if you find more information for the go see for Ministry of Health Twitter handle, Lagos State Ministry of Health Twitter handle. So no fear, say, anything will happen now. I no go get money if you buy the medicine because medicine costs. They don't say they go treat a cholera patients for free. More information, go on top their Twitter handle on top of Twitter. Somebody will mention pure water, drinking of pure water.
Pure water, bottled water, anyone. As long as the water is not clean, it can give you. So be careful, the pure water and the bottled water you drink this period. Make you not go carry cholera.
Good morning, Ra. Good morning, Sayene and Dr. Fred. He say, Doctor, I was afraid since one woman in our compound nearly died inside my hand last week. The woman that fetched water in the morning before she died in the night. Fear gripped me when it was confirmed at the hospital say she died of cholera. Please, so hope it can be contacted through body contact. Fearful my body since then. Peace. Peaceful peace from Ikeja. I know they sure saying here waiting you talk. So Dr. Fred, if you just talk them again, they talk about bodily contact with cholera patients.
If you near person will get the body contact, you know go carry them. You know go carry them. That is why our people need to calm down and all this panic. Stop to the panic. Majorly now waiting you carry put inside your mouth shop. You understand? Some people are very, very dirty. And some of them they even give you food chop. So if you chop food from a person who go dirty, you don't know whether the person if you gonna go touch something for somewhere, carry food cook give you and you shop, you carry them. So no be true contact. Now waiting you put. So be careful. Your water must be clean. Your environment, water body is clean. Your food, you go cook and well.
Good morning, Ratata and Sayene and Dr. Fred. You say, what about fish where they keep for inside gutter? And that gutter then they throw people. Una they ask questions.
They don't tell you.
Una they ask.
Fish shop, you shop the fish. Shop everything.
But he cook the fish now.
Fish need to shop waiting fish go shop. Human being go shop waiting human being go shop. You cook, you catch fish. You cook abi, you no cook am.
You cook am.
You cook am abi, you no cook am.
You cook am, you don't dey chop and raw.
Attire.
So as you cook am, so you don't.
You don't cook am now.
You don't clean.
Abi we no talk say make you cook your food well.
Cook your food well.
Now wow.
Chook mouth. Wazobia 95.1